Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today, you and I will be creating some aesthetic, easy DIY bookmarks that will surely get you motivated to read. So make sure to like this video and subscribe. And speaking of video, let's jump right into it. Now, to begin, cut out a small rectangle from a piece of cardboard. Then, map out about 2 centimeters from the top and snip out the corners. Next, take a magazine or a newspaper and cut out a small page that just has words on it. Now you can pick any page, but I just chose this blank one as it is easier to draw on or paint on some details. Now, on to creating the butterflies. I decided to trace them out from the internet using my phone and then painting them with watercolors. However, you may opt to print them out just to quicken this process. And once you're done with the butterflies, cover them with clear tape and cut them out. And now you can paint on some details on the cardboard. I chose to paint some flowers, however, you may paint anything cooler or even use stickers or some scrap paper. And here's how it turned out. Now to wrap things up, glue on the butterflies and then you are done with the first bookmark. To create the second bookmark, browse through a magazine and look for a nice wallpaper looking type of background. Now, take a piece of cardboard and cover it with some colored paper. Glue on the wallpaper cutout from before. Now make sure that it's slightly smaller than the cardboard. This way you can have yourself a very nice design. Now for the next part, you're going to need some Play-Doh in order to create a hole on the cardboard. Take some Play-Doh and place it under the top edge of the cardboard. This will act as a cushion as you use your pen to puncture a hole through it. Things off, take a string or a piece of rope and push it through the hole we just made, and then tie a knot. And we are finally done. You can have fun trying some different designs with this method. And now we are on to the final bookmark. Now for this one, you're going to need to cut out 2 equally sized frames from cardboard or paper. I measured out the frame margins to be about 1 centimeter each. And then take some self-adhesive book cover and stick the first frame on top of it, facing upwards. Now take a magazine or a newspaper and cut out some various interesting objects that you find. This could be fruits, flowers, or even leaves. Then lay them onto the frame just like this. Now, once you're done decorating the first frame, wrap the second one and glue it on top of it. Then seal the top layer with some self-adhesive book cover and cut off any excess. And now you are done. I absolutely love these bookmarks. They surely motivate me to read daily. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Comment down below which one of these were your favorites and which one are you going to try making. Make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Until next time, have a wonderful day and goodbye.